Finally, we're back in France. I've got my buddy Enrique with me. It's a beautiful day in early October and we're gonna get rid of this baby behind me in the next 2 days.
I hope so.
Very exhausting, but I've got a very cool helper, so yeah, pretty confident we're gonna get this done. Good morning, day number 2 in Guise. We're gonna take the rest of the wall down today. I hope so. How are you feeling?
Good.
Okay, let's get it done.
Let's go.
Now it's lunchtime. I'm just gonna open all the windows in my house to let some air in and have a look at Enrique from my bathroom window. He's down there. Great help. I think we did a good job so far. It's already 3 p.m. and we're getting very tired, but we're making good progress. I'm gonna get the van from the city in about an hour and then we're gonna get rid of probably a third of all the rubbish behind me. Well, we're going to the recycling center. I'm a bit pissed off because we got the van way too late.
We need to rob this, you know, see?
There's a market.
There's a bank, and that's the most
Look
important.
at the market.
Ah, the market. See. Wow.
That's it. We go home now. Bye bye. electricity at my house. There's so much going on today. I've got electricity, I'm getting sand delivered. Finally some real progress. This is now a real construction site, lots of people working here, and I'm just cleaning up, waiting for the guys to come back from their lunch break. Roman is getting his sledgehammer so I can take my wall off more easily. I'm so glad Romain came. We spent 4.5 hours outside. Weather was good, surprisingly good. I think it's like today was the only day without rain. And yeah, doesn't look too bad. I mean, they're still missing the corner over there, but he needs to make some adjustments and prepare some stuff, but this looks good so far. Two idiots in a French supermarket. Well, thank you, my friend. I love you.
I love you too.
Oh.
Shower, shower, honey. Shower, shower. Come on.